Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a Glossy unboxing. I can't wait to open this. The items in here are items I've been wanting for a very long time, so I can't wait to finally see them in person. So my hair's like this because my hair is wet. I just put it up in this twisty thing, but let's open this. Open now. I'm pretty sure it opens this way, so I gotta flip it. Here it is. Glossier. I know you can order like the free samples, but I forgot about that because I was just completely excited about the products I ordered. So I forgot that I could order a free sample. So I didn't get a free sample, but I did get a sticker, which I cannot pick up. So here it is. Sticker, it's super pretty. Probably gonna put that on my mirror. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I set that little shelf up. It's a little bit crooked, but that's fine. And I'm gonna be putting all like my skincare products there, and this is definitely gonna be going there. Little bag, and inside is the Glossy Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen, and this is $25. And I've been wanting to try this out for so long, and I can't wait. I actually had no idea it came with packaging. Packaging just looks like this, clear in the front and like this reddish color on the sides. It's really cute. It's smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. And it has a pump. Probably gonna have to, oh, nope, came out first try or second. Smells like oranges and kind of like a lemon. I was not expecting it to smell like that, but it comes out clear and like you can't tell at all that I put it on my hand. And sunscreen's really good to have, especially right now that it's been sunny, because we're supposed to be wearing sunscreen every day. So now hopefully this will make me want to wear sunscreen now that it's Glossier. I'll just be excited to put it on. Product is actually one that has been on my birthday wish list since last year, and I finally got it. It is the Glossier Sorry, cannot say that. Wait, it's in another language. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on this side it's in another language, on this side it's in English, and it's the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich. I got this one instead of the other one just because I feel like I would like this one more, and when you open it, it comes with like a little seal. Looks like that, and then there's the moisturizer, and they fill it up all the way, so that's really nice. Try that on the back of my hand. It's very thick. It smells minty. Like cooling. It feels cooling. If you want to order something from Glossier, I really recommend it, and I have a code for 10% off, and I'll put it either in the comments or in the description, or maybe both, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, if you use my code, you can get 10% off your next Glossier order. And that's everything I got. So this was $35 and this one was $25. And I really like both of them so far. I mean, I haven't tried them out, so I have to see how my skin reacts to them, but I think they'll be pretty good, and yeah, I'm super excited. Definitely be ordering more Glossier. I love their products, so be prepared for more unboxing soon because I'm literally addicted to everything they sell. That is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!